first turn it on, it's going to look like this. Um, just go at the top. If you have a mouse pointer, um, or you can just hold down the OK button on your remote, and it'll pop this menu up here. And what you want to do is go to settings. You want to go to profiles. If you already have service already with different providers, hit add new profile. I created a demo here, so I'm gonna just click on that one. Okay, once you add a new profile, you want to go to portal settings, and you're going to delete what's in here. Let's get this thing to delete fast enough. And the portal setting is going to be 98.25.106.111 with your colon 25461 / Charlie. That's what your portal is going to be. You're going to click on OK. Oops. Make sure that C ain't capitalized. Sorry, I have my cap lock on. Let me turn that off. And then what you're going to do is you're going to back up. You're going to go to SDB configuration. And right here, I X'd all this out, but you're going to have a MAC address. It's going to be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 characters. You're going to give that to one of us, and once we enter that in, then you will be active. So this is what it's going to look like once you're active. Let me show you. Let me back up. I have a profile that I already set up, which is this one. So once you click on that, it's going to load it up. There you go, all set.